Welcome to the Champion installation video series, brought to you in collaboration with Garage Gurus. Today Damien is going to replace an air filter on a Golf 7 GTE TSI 1.4. We will clean the engine before dismantling the filter housing. To reach the filter, we will need to remove the engine cap and disconnect the air intakes. Loosen the clamp on the first air intake and move it further away. Loosen the clamp on the second air intake and move it as well further back. Disconnect the smaller crankcase breather hose. Then, push the air intakes back and pull the filter housing gently in order to release it. Unscrew the two bottom screws. Use a flat screwdriver while pushing on the lever in order to release the clamps and open the filter housing. Now, reveal the old filter. It prevented dirt to mix with the air and reach the engine. Clean up the interior of the filter housing from accumulated dirt. Then you can remove the old filter and continue cleanup. Check our filter trouble tracer chart for the most common symptoms and their possible causes. Take your new Champion filter and place it in the filter housing, the side with the paper facing up, and make sure that you match the filter holes. You can now close the filter housing. Put the two pieces of plastic together until they click. Tighten the two screws at the bottom of the filter housing. Fit the filter housing back and ensure the air intakes and the breather hose are properly reconnected. You will need to push the housing down until you feel a click. Now, tighten the clamps on both air intakes. Last, don't forget to place back the engine plastic cap and push it down until it clicks too. Your installation is now complete. You can find the correct air filter as well as other parts for your car using our Find My Part page on www.championautoparts.eu webpage. In this video description, you can find links to our trouble tracer chart, Find My Parts tool, as well as our Champion website and Garage Gurus, our training and technical support program. Don't hesitate to click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and be notified when we post new content.